Welcome to SAM Official Tech. The world is undergoing a dramatic shift towards clean and renewable energy as we strive to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change. From solar panels on rooftops to massive wind farms and advanced hydropower, renewable energy is paving the way for a more sustainable future. In today's video, we'll take an in-depth look at the key types of renewable energy, how they are transforming industries, and the role they'll play in powering our future. Stick around as we explore the innovations driving the global energy transition and the challenges we need to overcome to create a truly green world. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that are constantly replenished, such as sunlight, wind, rain, and geothermal heat. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and release harmful greenhouse gases, renewable energy is clean, sustainable, and eco-friendly. This shift towards renewables is crucial in meeting global energy demands while minimizing environmental damage. In this video, we'll explore various types of renewable energy and their importance in reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Solar power is one of the most widely recognized forms of renewable energy, and for good reason. The sun provides more energy in 1 hour than the entire world consumes in a year. Photovoltaic (PV) cells convert sunlight into electricity, making solar power a viable option for both residential and commercial use. Recent innovations in solar technology, such as more efficient solar panels and energy storage systems, are making solar energy more affordable and accessible. Large-scale solar farms are being built worldwide, contributing significantly to the global energy mix. With continuous advancements, solar energy has the potential to power cities and industries, reducing our reliance on coal and oil. Wind energy is another powerful player in the renewable energy landscape. Massive wind turbines, both onshore and offshore, harness the kinetic energy from the wind to generate electricity. One of the biggest advantages of wind energy is its ability to generate power at night or during overcast days, complementing solar power. Countries like Denmark and Germany have embraced wind energy, generating a significant portion of their electricity from wind farms. Offshore wind farms, located in ocean waters, are particularly promising due to the higher wind speeds and lower land use. As wind technology advances, turbines are becoming more efficient, taller, and capable of generating more electricity. Hydropower, or water power, is the largest source of renewable energy globally. It harnesses the energy of flowing or falling water to generate electricity. Hydropower plants, often located near dams or rivers, have been around for over a century, but new technologies are emerging to make them more efficient and environmentally friendly. Hydropower offers a consistent and reliable source of energy, making it a backbone of many countries' electricity grids. However, concerns about the environmental impact of large dams have led to the development of smaller-scale hydroelectric projects and run-of-river systems that minimize ecological disruption. With careful planning, hydropower can continue to play a significant role in the clean energy transition. Geothermal energy taps into the heat stored beneath the Earth's surface. This heat can be used to generate electricity or directly heat buildings. Geothermal power plants, located in regions with high volcanic activity or natural hot springs, use steam from underground reservoirs to spin turbines and produce electricity. Unlike solar or wind, Geothermal energy is available 24/7, making it a reliable and consistent energy source. Countries like Iceland and New Zealand are already leveraging geothermal energy to power homes and industries. As drilling and exploration technologies improve, geothermal energy could become a major contributor to global energy needs. Bioenergy is derived from organic materials such as plants, agricultural waste, and even algae. This form of energy can be used to produce electricity, heat, and biofuels. Unlike fossil fuels, bioenergy is renewable and can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions when managed sustainably. One of the most exciting developments in bioenergy is the use of advanced biofuels, which can power vehicles with a much lower carbon footprint than gasoline or diesel. Additionally, waste-to-energy technologies are gaining momentum, turning municipal waste, food scraps, and even sewage into valuable energy. By diverting waste from landfills, bioenergy contributes to a circular economy and cleaner cities. One of the major challenges of renewable energy sources like solar and wind is their intermittent nature. They don't produce energy when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. This is where energy storage technologies come in. Batteries, such as the increasingly popular lithium-ion batteries, are essential for storing excess energy generated during peak times for use when renewable energy generation is low. Advancements in battery technology, like solid-state batteries and flow batteries, are making storage more efficient, longer-lasting, and affordable. Large-scale energy storage systems are being deployed in countries like the US, Australia, and China, ensuring that renewable energy can meet demand at all times. Hydrogen is often hailed as the fuel of the future, and for good reason. It can be produced from renewable sources, such as solar and wind, and has the potential to decarbonize sectors that are difficult to electrify, like heavy industry and transportation. Hydrogen fuel cells can power everything from vehicles to ships to airplanes without emitting greenhouse gases, only water vapor. The development of green hydrogen, produced through electrolysis using renewable energy, is key to realizing a hydrogen-based economy. While challenges remain in terms of cost and infrastructure, hydrogen could be a game-changer in the fight against climate change. While renewable energy holds immense promise, there are still challenges to widespread adoption. One of the biggest barriers is the cost of transitioning from fossil fuels to renewables, particularly for developing countries. Although the cost of renewable technologies is decreasing, significant investments in infrastructure, storage, and grid modernization are still needed. Additionally, balancing the intermittent nature of some renewable sources with reliable energy supply remains a challenge. Governments, industries, and scientists are working together to overcome these hurdles, and with continued innovation and support, renewable energy will play a central role in powering a sustainable future. As renewable energy becomes more integrated into our power systems, the need for smart energy grids is growing. Smart grids use digital technology to monitor and manage energy flows, allowing for greater efficiency in the integration of multiple energy sources, including solar, wind, and storage systems. These grids can dynamically adjust supply and demand, ensuring that energy is distributed where it's needed most while minimizing waste. Countries around the world are investing in smart grid technology to create more resilient and flexible energy systems that can accommodate the growing share of renewables. The future of energy is not only clean but also intelligent. Investing in renewable energy isn't just about saving the planet, it also makes economic sense. The renewable energy sector is a significant job creator, with millions of people employed in industries like solar, wind, and energy storage. Moreover, renewable energy projects often have lower operational costs than fossil fuel plants once they are up and running. As the cost of renewables continues to fall, they will become the most affordable option for many regions, helping to drive economic growth and energy independence. Countries that lead in renewable energy adoption are not only improving their environmental footprint but also positioning themselves for long-term economic success. Government policies play a crucial role in promoting the transition to renewable energy. Many countries have implemented subsidies, tax incentives, and feed-in tariffs to encourage the development of clean energy projects. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, have set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, with renewable energy as a central component of the strategy. As the world moves towards a low-carbon economy, governments will need to continue supporting innovation, infrastructure, and investment in renewable technologies. Public awareness campaigns and education are critical in empowering consumers to make informed decisions about their energy use. Together, we can make a difference and accelerate the shift towards a greener, cleaner world. The future of renewable energy is bright, but we must continue to push for innovation, investment, and policy support to make it a reality. Solar, wind, hydropower, and other clean energy sources have the potential to power our homes, industries, and economies without the environmental cost of fossil fuels. By embracing renewable energy technologies and working together as a global community, we can build a sustainable future that benefits both people and the planet. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech. The journey towards a renewable energy future is filled with exciting developments and opportunities. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into technology, sustainability, and innovation. Join us next time as we explore even more fascinating topics that are shaping our world. Until then, stay green and stay informed.